listen to the question and answers and improve your English. Subscribe for more.
Hi, what is your name? Hi, what is your name?
My name is Alok. My name is Alok.
How are you? How are you?
I am fine, thank you, and you? I am fine, thank you, and you?
I am good. Where are you from? I am good. Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old.
What is your favorite game? What is your favorite game?
My favorite game's Free Fire. My favorite game's Free Fire.
What is your favorite song? What is your favorite song?
My favorite song, DJ. My favorite song, DJ.
What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?
I like listen to music and watching movie. I like listen to music and watching movie.
What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie, Bollywood Pathan. My favorite movie, Bollywood Pathan.
What is your favorite car? What is your favorite car?
My favorite car, Thar. My favorite car, Thar.
What is your favorite sports? What is your favorite sports?
My favorite sports, cricket and football. My favorite sports, cricket and football.
What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit, mango and apple. My favorite fruit, mango and apple.
Are you student? Are you student?
Yes, I am a student. Yes, I am a student.
What is your favorite book? What is your favorite book?
My favorite book, math. My favorite book, math.
What did you study for your school exam? What did you study for your school exam?
I studied math. I studied math.
Where did you go with friends? Where did you go with friends?
We went to the mountains. We went to the mountains.
Did you go to the school yesterday? Did you go to the school yesterday?
Yes, I want to the school. Yes, I want to the school.
Where did you play sports in college? Where did you play sports in college?
I played sports on the field. I played sports on the field.
Did you have a group project at college? Did you have a group project at college?
No, I didn't have a group project. No, I didn't have a group project.
What time did you leave the school library? What time did you leave the school library?
I left at 4 p.m. I left at 4 p.m.
Did you participate in a club activity? Did you participate in a club activity?
Yes, I participate in a club. Yes, I participate in a club.
Where did you buy your textbook? Where did you buy your textbook?
I bought them at the bookstore. I bought them at the bookstore.
Did you use the computer lab this week? Did you use the computer lab this week?
No, I didn't use the lab. No, I didn't use the lab.
Did you attend a school event last year? Did you attend a school event last year?
Yes, I attend a school event. Yes, I attend a school event.
Did you play basketball in the gym? Did you play basketball in the gym?
Yes, I played basketball. Yes, I played basketball.
What did you study in the computer lab? What did you study in the computer lab?
I studied computer programming. I studied computer programming.
Did you attend a party on campus? Did you attend a party on campus?
Yes, I attend a party. Yes, I attend a party.
Where did you meet your professor? Where did you meet your professor?
I met my professor in their office. I met my professor in their office.
Did you have a favorite teacher at school? Did you have a favorite teacher at school?
Yes, I had a favorite teacher. Yes, I had a favorite teacher.
What time did you leave the college last Friday? What time did you leave the college last Friday?
I left at 3 p.m. I left at 3 p.m.
Where did you buy your school supplies? Where did you buy your school supplies?
I bought them at the stationery store. I bought them at the stationery store.
What did you eat at the college canteen? What did you eat at the college canteen?
I had a salad. I had a salad.
Did you join a study group in college? Did you join a study group in college?
No, I didn't join a study group. No, I didn't join a study group.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color blue and red. My favorite color blue and red.
What sports did you play on the school field? What sports did you play on the school field?
I played soccer. I played soccer.
Did you perform in a school play? Did you perform in a school play?
No, I didn't perform in a play. No, I didn't perform in a play.
Did you receive an award at the college ceremony? Did you receive an award at the college ceremony?
No, I didn't receive an award. No, I didn't receive an award.
What did you draw in your art class? What did you draw in your art class?
I drew a beautiful landscape. I drew a beautiful landscape.
Where did you attend a music concert? Where did you attend a music concert? I attended it in the auditorium. I attended it in the auditorium. Do you eat breakfast every day? Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day. Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
Do they work in an office? Do they work in an office?
Yes, they work in an office. Yes, they work in an office.
Do you play tennis on weekends? Do you play tennis on weekends?
Yes, we play tennis on weekends. Yes, we play tennis on weekends.
Does he like coffee? Does he like coffee?
Yes, he liked coffee. Yes, he liked coffee.
Did you cook dinner every night? Did you cook dinner every night?
Yes, I cook dinner every night. Yes, I cook dinner every night.
Are you eating breakfast right now? Are you eating breakfast right now?
Yes, I am eating breakfast right now. Yes, I am eating breakfast right now.
Is she going to school by bus? Is she going to school by bus?
Yes, she is going to school by bus. Yes, she is going to school by bus.
Are they working in the office today? Are they working in the office today?
Yes, they are working in the office today. Yes, they are working in the office today.
Is the sun shining brightly? Is the sun shining brightly?
Yes, the sun is shining brightly. Yes, the sun is shining brightly.
Are you playing tennis this afternoon? Are you playing tennis this afternoon?
Yes, we are playing tennis this afternoon. Yes, we are playing tennis this afternoon.
Are you reading a book now? Are you reading a book now?
No, I am reading newspaper. No, I am reading newspaper.
Are you watching TV at the moment? Are you watching TV at the moment?
Yes, I am watching TV at home. Yes, I am watching TV at home.
See you later, Alok. Bye bye. See you later, Alok. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.